Citizens ask, where is my vaccine?
Where is my vaccine? That remains to be the big question right here in India. I'm Chaiti Narula and welcome. We're bringing you a vaccine shortage special where we're going to give you an overall bird's eye view of the kind of vaccine shortage that is crippling India's COVID fight. The state governments are running out of vaccines and many have either shut down vaccination for 18 to 44 age group or rationed them. Maharashtra has announced that it will give priority to those in 45 plus age category and will divert around 3 lakh vials of the vaccine meant for 18 to 44 age group. Meanwhile, Karnataka government has said that vaccination for 18 to 44, including those who have booked slots, are going to be temporarily suspended from tomorrow onwards till further orders. Almost no Covaxin doses are available in Delhi.
There are concerns about the shortage of Covaxin, especially in Delhi. Even Delhi government has addressed a press conference. Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia has made it clear that the Covaxin doses are now almost over. But we are right now at a center where Covaxin doses are being provided. People are waiting in the queue for their turn. They are quite sure that today the Covaxin doses will be given.
We were trying just to book online through the portal, CoWIN portal, and we were not sure whether we'll get Covaxin or not. But finally, at 11:30 or quarter to 12 yesterday night, we got the shot and we could book for Covaxin.
And there is a big demand for Covaxin. In comparison to Covishield, people are looking for Covaxin more. Did you find any difficulty in getting your slot done?
Yeah, it's very difficult. It took around 3 to 4 hours to book a center for a vaccine.
So people have no doubt whatsoever that they are quite sure that the second dose, if they are being provided with the first dose, second dose will also come in the way. Government must be knowing that how many first doses are being given for a proper vaccine like Covaxin or Covishield. So the second doses will be arranged according to that. So although people are facing a few problems, but still they are confident that everything will fall in line with the time. With camera person Alok Kumar Das, it's Kumar Kunal for India Today from Delhi.
Enough stock of vaccination is not available and hence even the rules in Mumbai for vaccination are changing. As per the new rule, the registrations are required but 18 to 44 age group people will not be vaccinated in Maharashtra. It has been temporarily stopped because unavailability of vaccines. The second dose has been taken to 45 days because again there is a shortage of vaccination. The third rule, which is for senior citizens, that they can walk in for vaccination, but that is on Mondays, Tuesdays and Wednesdays. Rest of the week they will need a registration. For example, it's Thursday today. At the gate, people who are entering, they have been told that only if they have booked a slot online, they will be allowed inside the vaccination center. Now what it has resulted in? It has resulted in less crowd, less queues in the vaccination centers. The same place when we used to shoot, there used to be a huge queue of people waiting to get vaccinated, but now it's all been sorted out. But at the same point of time, this is leading to frustration and uneasiness among the people who are eligible for doses. The 18 to 44 age group has been taken out. There are many senior citizens who want the vaccinations, who want the first dose, who want the second dose, but they are not able to get the slots booked online, and hence that is leading to some unease. But in the coming days, the BMC is saying the process will be regularized, and once after May 20th, when Maharashtra receives 1.5 crore doses of Covishield, the pace of vaccination will also increase. With camera person Mangesh Amre, Mustafa Sheikh in Mumbai for India Today.
Now, having completely run out of stock to vaccinate those in the age group of 45 and above, the Karnataka government has decided that they will temporarily suspend the vaccination for those in the age group of 18 to 44 from the 14th onwards. Now, they've very clearly stated that all the vaccine doses procured directly by the state government for the age group of 18 to 44 will now be shifted to for those who have to receive their second dose, that is the age group of 45 and above. Now, in fact, there's a huge demand in the age group of 18 to 44. In the last 3 days itself, some 74,000 odd people got their vaccination, but that will not happen as of now. However, the government has clearly stated that they have placed an order for 2 crore doses of Covishield and 1 crore doses of Covaxin, but they have to wait. So as of now, it will only be for the age group of 45 and above so that they can get their second dose. With video journalist Madhuar, Nolan Pinto for India Today.
Amidst the growing demand for COVID vaccines, India is now facing a severe shortage of jabs. Several states are claiming that they are running low on the doses and people are at the receiving end. Some are not even sure whether they are going to be inoculated or not. Let's see the special report coming in.
India is in the grip of the second COVID wave. And the chaos and confusion continues to prevail across the country's vaccination centers. More and more states are facing the vaccine shortage. These are the scenes at Kolkata, where hundreds are in queue to get vaccinated. There is total chaos. The beneficiaries are waiting since hours for their jabs. Some are not even sure whether or not they'll be inoculated.
मैं यहाँ पे 8 बजे से खड़ी हूँ. मेरी मम्मी का आज सेकेंड डोज है कोवैक्सीन का, तो उसी का वेट कर रहे हैं.
सुबह 8 बजे से यहाँ पे हैं.
हाँ.
अभी और कितना समय लगेगा?
आई थिंक 1 or 2 आवर्स तो लगेगा ही मिनिमम.
एकदम कैओस है, कोई पुलिस नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है, कोई भी मतलब एकदम मिसमैनेजमेंट है.
The scenes at Bhopal are no different. Young and old, both in queue, waiting to get vaccinated. However, there are only 500 vaccines at the center, but the beneficiaries are far more in number.
स्लॉट भी दिया है 9 बजे से लेके 1 बजे तक का स्लॉट भी दिया है. 9 से लेके 11 बजे तक अंदर एंट्री नहीं दे रहे हैं, जबकि जगह ताला लगा के रखा हुआ है. अंदर जगह भी तो स्पेस भी तो पड़ा हुआ है ना, अंदर एंट्री देना चाहिए इनको.
This is a vaccination center at Jaipur, where people are waiting since hours to get vaccinated. However, owing to the vaccine shortage, many have not been vaccinated despite being slotted for the same. Even those who needed the second jab were turned back.
सुबह से कह रहे थे
ऑनलाइन रजिस्ट्रेशन होता नहीं है, यहाँ ये लगाते नहीं है, करेगा फिर.
कोई नंबर नहीं आ रहा है. देखो ये क्या फाड़ देंगे इनको. 50 रोज हो गए लगाए, अभी बेकार हो जाएगी.
The Rajasthan government claims that they are not getting vaccines from the center.
पहले राजस्थान वैक्सीनेशन के मामले में नंबर 1 पर था. अब तो स्थिति ये कर दी कि केंद्र सरकार वैक्सीन दे ही नहीं रही है. हम सब लोग यही डिमांड करते रहे, सरकार मुख्यमंत्री सब ये कहते रहे कि हाथ जोड़कर विनती है, आप फ्री वैक्सीन पूरे देश में कीजिए, क्योंकि फ्री वैक्सीनेशन आज तक भारत सरकार करती आई है. अचानक बोली नहीं पैसे देने पड़ेंगे, तो पैसे जमा करा दिए, अब वैक्सीन देने को तैयार नहीं है.
Long queues were seen in Ahmedabad city of BJP-ruled Gujarat. Like other states, people here too are waiting for hours to get vaccinated. That is not all. Some beneficiaries even alleged that they were denied their second dose.
8 बजे से हम यहाँ पे आए हैं और अभी बोल रहे हैं कि 42 इयर्स देश होगा तभी आपको वैक्सीन मिलेगी. हमारा 40 हुआ है अभी हम 8 बजे से यहाँ खड़े हैं. अभी क्या निकल जाओ, ऐसा थोड़ी होता है. आप पहले से ही बोलो.
3-4 दिन से घूम रहे हैं. रामवाड़ी गए या उत्तर नगर गार्डन में भी गए, वहाँ हमारा नंबर भी नहीं गया, हम वापस घर चले गए. आज यहाँ नंबर लगा तो बोलता है 42 दिवस की बाद में रसी मिलेगी.
The vaccine shortage is not the only challenge. Another key issue at all the vaccine centers is the lack of social distancing. Something that can trigger more COVID cases and in turn make the situation further grim in the country. With Anupam Mishra in Kolkata, Ravish in Bhopal, Sharat in Jaipur and Gopi in Ahmedabad, Bureau Report, India Today.
Let's now get you the kind of vaccine shortage on our Corona India dashboard at the moment as to how the vaccine shortage is plaguing India. We're going to get you a few numbers and a few graphs to explain to you the kind of people, the amount of people rather, who have been inoculated. This is our Corona India dashboard, and let's get you the latest details as far as the vaccination figures are concerned. So if you see the India vaccination right here, this graph is being pulled out, data till 10th of May. This graph is till 5th of May though. From 1st of March till 5th of March, we're getting you this data. Total people who are inoculated at the moment stand to be at 17 crore 10 lakh 98,912, and first dose is 13 crore 51 lakh 92,016. Both the doses is 3 crore 59 lakh 6,904. So if you see, it will take India a long time to get everybody up to speed as far as vaccination is concerned, and the inoculation drive is rather slow because of the supply chain logistics as well. India is likely to be able to triple the average number of daily COVID vaccinations that are currently being administered by July 2021, and it is a projection at the moment. In a submission before the Supreme Court on 9th of May, the government has said that COVID vaccine manufacturing capacity of India for 3 vaccines, that is Covishield, Covaxin and Sputnik, could cumulatively cross 14 crore doses a month by 2021 July. On an average, this would suggest that the country will have the ability to administer 46 lakh jabs a day. From vaccine shortage to the non-availability of booking slots, here's what is plaguing the mass vaccination drive. Take a look at this report by Aishwarya Paliwal.
Indians fighting one battle after another. States fighting with the centre over one issue after the other. In the national capital, the Modi government and Delhi government don't even agree on the number of vaccines the latter has ordered since May.
केंद्र सरकार की तरफ से चिट्ठी आई कि दिल्ली को 92,840 कोवैक्सीन और 2,67,690 कोविशील्ड ही मिल सकेंगे। ये जो भारतीय जनता पार्टी झूठ बोल रही है कि दिल्ली सरकार ने 5.5 लाख वैक्सीन का ही ऑर्डर किया, दिल्ली सरकार ने 1,34,00,000 वैक्सीन का ऑर्डर किया था।
कुल मिलाकर के 5.5 लाख वैक्सीन का ऑर्डर अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने प्लेस किया है। सोचिए, 5.5 लाख का वैक्सीन का ऑर्डर प्लेस करते हैं और टीवी में आकर ऐसे एकदम भोला मासूम चेहरा बना करके कि 1,34,00,000 हमने पारित कर दिया है, जी हम आपको दे देंगे, घर घर जाके वैक्सीन दे देंगे। ये इस प्रकार की राजनीति अच्छी बात नहीं है। हकीकत रखिए आप जनता के साथ।
And while the politicians bicker, it's the Aam Aadmi and Aam Mahila across the country who struggles to book a vaccination. 23-year-old Karishma, a resident of Uttar Pradesh, is trying desperately to get a vaccine, but all her attempts have failed so far.
I got the appointment and a slot between 11 to 12:30, but when the vaccination actually started on 1st of May, by the end of the day I received a message which was by the CoWIN platform itself, and it said that my appointment was cancelled and I have to wait until the next appointment slot that can be provided.
Same take, different city. 22-year-old Akanksha has been trying to get a vaccine since May 1st, when it was open for everyone who is 18 plus. But despite many attempts, she hasn't been able to get it.
Since the announcement of the third phase of the vaccination drive, and have been trying to book a slot through the CoWIN portal, but to no gain. In spite of being registered, there are no available slots.
Citizens of the country are fighting a war on two fronts. On one hand, there is a war to get a bed and to get oxygen cylinders. On the other hand, the war is to get the vaccine, which is the only protection which people have against the deadly COVID-19. For a majority of the people, the only protection they have is in the form of a vaccine. And a lot of people, those who got the first shot, are now desperately waiting for the second one. The question still remains, how will the centre and the state make sure everyone is vaccinated within the stipulated time? This is Aishwarya Paliwal reporting from New Delhi with camera person Satya Ranjan for India Today.
As people are rushing to get vaccinated, there are no slots available on the CoWIN, making it difficult to register for the vaccination. The problem majorly faced by people, especially in the age group of 18 to 44. Here's a news report.
Fastest fingers first. या जो जीता वही सिकंदर. कौन बनेगा कोविन पति? These are the phrases being used to describe successful booking of a slot in CoWIN. Humor aside, this is not funny. The task of getting a slot if you are in the 18 to 45 age group is a Herculean one. I put out a tweet asking the Twitter world to put out their experiences on using the CoWIN software. This is what I found. One Vishal Sali said he's trying to get a slot for weeks now. Meena Sharma said the state of affairs is sad and shared her screenshot. Rahul Mendhekar, another beneficiary, also shared his experience. Vipin Chandra said there are no slots. Shibam Das said the country should now focus on infrastructure. Booked, full, everywhere you click. My own experience has been harrowing. I tried booking several times but could not. Look at this. Each time you try to get a slot, you fail. Look at what the viewers of India Today sent us.
Each time I go on to the website, and even if I do see a few free slots, they get filled up in seconds. And for me, as a person living with diabetes, it's a really stressful time because people living with diabetes can have worse outcomes of COVID if they contract the infection.
I try to find a center which has an available slot. Unfortunately, out of the 30 or 40 so centers I found, all of them are booked. And the weird thing is some of the centers are booked for a week, and some of them don't even allow us to book a slot for even the next day.
This entire process takes a long time, and there are a lot of glitches in the system. And I just pray and hope everybody gets this vaccination. But right now, it's just me and my dog who are just looking at this very interesting CoWIN website. And yes, we are based out of Bangalore, and I'm 43 years of age, and my dog is 14. No, she's not getting a vaccination, but I'm getting a vaccination.
Walk-in vaccinations for this age category, that is between the age of 18 to 45, is not allowed. There is dearth of doses, and that is no secret. The government says that in the age group of 18 to 45, 25,59,000 Indians have got a shot. 55 crore Indians are due to get a shot. So right now, less than 1% have got just one dose of the vaccine. In an ideal world, adequate vaccine supply, increasing the number of sessions, 24/7 immunization, community-based vaccination camps, increased participation of private hospitals, and involvement of NGOs would help. But this is not an ideal world. Far from it. Well, the trick is to keep trying, to be persistent. If you're persistent, perhaps you might just get lucky. Well, I don't really seem to be getting lucky because the slots are all booked, is what I hear. But if I do get a slot, then I'm not going to choose which vaccine to take. I'm also not going to really pick and choose on the location. If I do get a slot, that is. And if I do, then I'll consider myself privileged. In New Delhi, Sneha Mordani for India Today.
In a major boost to mass vaccinate kids in India, the drug controller DCGI has approved phase 2 and 3 trials of Covaxin on children from ages of 2 to 18 years of age.
As pediatric wards get crowded with young ones, one thing is very clear. The coronavirus is not leaving children unaffected. The second monster wave of COVID-19 is seeing more children get infected, even those less than 5 years old. And now, a vaccine for children could be the only ray of hope against the highly infectious variants. India's indigenous vaccine maker Bharat Biotech spoke in 2020 about developing a COVID-19 vaccine for children in India. But it is only now that the firm has obtained approval from the Indian drug regulator to proceed with trials. The DCGI has given a green signal to Bharat Biotech to begin phase 2 and 3 clinical trials on children aged between 2 to 18 years.
as experts weigh in on the need to now vaccinate children.
Vaccine may take time, but we should vaccinate this group as soon as possible to prevent the third wave. One. Second, why it is important? Because in pediatric age group, you cannot isolate them in room. You cannot confine them in room. Very soon they will be out to the schools. They can be super spread. They are very near and dear to the grandparents, so they can be very injurious. If they become contagious, they can be very injurious, very unsafe for the elderly. So we need to vaccinate them.
As kids remain locked up in homes, the vaccine for children and adolescents could help return children safely back to schools.
This is more to have a final fight against the COVID, because children can be involved in transmission, and by doing so we can safely open up our schools and the other activities which children have not been able to do, like camps and sports and other gatherings which they have not been able to do. So that will be a huge boost. Please give it to your children as and when this is offered and the scientific world clears it off.
The US FDA has approved Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine for children of 12 to 15 years of age. Pfizer has also asked the UK drug regulator to give a go-ahead to vaccinate the kids in UK.
Even as Bharat Biotech has now been given permission by the SEC to begin trials, we'll still have to wait for at least several months before we could have a vaccine to protect children against the coronavirus. But experts have warned that the third wave, which is impending, could target children more than adults, because estimates suggest that by such time, many eligible adults would have at least taken one shot of the COVID-19 jab, which will make children and the younger population susceptible to getting infected, which is why vaccination for younger children is the need of the hour. In New Delhi, Milan Sharma for India Today.
It's a wrap from me, Chaiti Narula, on the special show. For further news and updates, don't forget to log on to indiatoday.in or download our app.